Hey everyone, welcome to Baby Cook That Thang, the show where we always cook that thang, and we never don't cook that thang. Anyway, today we're making broccoli beef. It's gonna be amazing. Stay tuned. Okay guys, very simple recipe. Just start off by boiling some broccoli. I got the little frozen kind, the florets, so just boil that, but it's very important to make sure that you take it out before it's cooked all the way through, okay? Remember that. Next day, just cut yourself some onion. This is just one kind of medium, large sized onion into strips like that. And after that, take some ginger and cut big slices like this, because this is going in the dish, but we're gonna take it out before we eat it. We're not gonna eat any of this. It's just there for flavoring. So if you make them bigger, it's easier to fish out. So about 5 or 6, maybe 7 for good luck. Okay, add some oil to a pot. We're gonna start off by frying our beef. This is flank steak, and it's about 400 grams right here. I'll give you the measurements in the description. Now it's kind of sticking to the bottom, but this is a good thing because you're gonna see we're developing some beautiful caramelized beef flavor in the bottom. It's roasted beef flavor because it's all stuck, and it's gonna be amazing, and we're gonna get that out of the pot and into the dish. So fish out your flank steak before it's done all the way through. Set it aside. At this point, add a bit more oil to the pot because the beef kind of soaked up that oil. But we're only adding a little bit each time, so don't worry about that. And now add your onions. Now we're gonna fry off these onions for a little bit, and you're gonna see what I was talking about with that brown stuff. It's gonna be amazing. The onions are gonna extract some moisture after 5 minutes, and look at that brown stuff. Watch, I'm scraping it now. Look, it's just coming off and it's going into the onions. Oh, it's so good. So after they've been going for like 5, 6, 7 minutes, something like that, add your ginger, as you saw me do right there, and really make sure you're frying your ginger so you get all that flavor into the onions. Next, get a garlic crusher. Get as much garlic as you want. I like a lot of garlic, so I put like 4 or 5 cloves in there. You can put as many as you want. And after 5 minutes of the garlic being fried, fish out your ginger pieces. So you're back to just having your onions in there. Now, next stage, add 4 to 5 tablespoons of soy sauce and about the same amount of water. So first, let the veggies kind of saute in that soy sauce for a little bit, and then add the equal parts of water. Now, this is really up to you. You know, how much water should be equal parts, but if you like the thickness of it, leave it as it is. But for me, that was kind of thin, so I wanted to thicken it up with a bit of cornstarch. So that's what I did. I took a tablespoon of cornstarch, which you'll be seeing momentarily. There we go. There's the cornstarch. Put in about a tablespoon of cornstarch right there, and also like a tablespoon of water. So there's the water. And cornstarch really dissolves easily. So you'll see just with one finger, I just swirl it and it dissolves easily. You don't want big pieces of cornstarch, so make sure it's dissolved and then put it in the water. And also along with that, I didn't mention, but you need to put in 2 tablespoons of brown sugar into this dish at some point there. Okay, so remember that. I didn't show it in the video, but that's what you need to do. Anyway, I realized that after a while, there wasn't enough sauce. So I added more soy sauce, like another 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons, and also a bit more water. And after that, I thought it was thin again, so I added more cornstarch. So the final amounts will be like 6, 7 tablespoons of soy sauce and about the same amount of water. I'll write that in the description again. Anyway, after about 5 minutes, add your beef and make sure it's swirling in all those beautiful flavors. And the last stage, just add your broccoli. Then give everything a good mix to make sure that the broccoli is in that sauce, coated in that sauce, and that's why we didn't cook all this stuff through, because we're giving it another 2 to 3 minutes in here. And that's basically it. We're done.
Okie dokie, I am very excited. I put a bit of green onions on there and a bit of, what do you call those, sesame seeds, because I like a little bit of crunch, and the green onion gives a good flavor, a good oniony flavor. Okay, let's do this thing. Can you see? Look. Take one of these. Take a bit of broccoli and some rice. There's a huge piece of meat. I made some white rice, I didn't mention. You might have seen it in the video off to the side, because this goes great on white rice, but Okay, enough about that. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to this channel because I always make new stuff and very simple recipes. This is like 5 ingredients and it really is good. And it really took like 20 minutes, maybe half an hour. So please subscribe and click on the bell so you can get a notification whenever I upload another one of these videos. And I'd love some feedback. If you guys don't mind, give a few comments, be like, yes, this is good. No, this is stupid. Why are you making this? Anything you guys want to do it. So until next time, baby cook that thang. Thanks for watching.